this is Rocky Nash, and we are live at NAB Show, 100 years of broadcast innovation. That's right, NAB's been around for 100 years. How many years have you been coming to NAB? We're going to walk around to the show floor. You've got brands like Pro, Nanlite, Rode, Hollyland over here. We've got Hollyland. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the latest products for broadcasters and content creators. So over here, this on Hollyland, last night we got to test the SolidComm C1 Pro so that you can wirelessly talk with your team. It's great for production teams and noisy environments to be able to hear each other. So Hollyland right there will come back. They're doing a giveaway right now. Next stop is Nanlite. So we're going to head over here. So basically, if you're new to NAB, it's everything that has to do about media, entertainment, radio. So Pro AV, we're going to talk about and show you the latest products. Right now, Nanlite, we're talking about lighting. So whether it be your panel lights, your Pavo tubes, they've got everything. Let's go around to show you the Pavo tubes because I know we like to use them as practicals, but they're also really great key lights. Okay, never mind. We're going to take a pit stop because we have to talk about the Forza. These are the Nanlite Forza 500B2. So we're going to stop for a moment and we're going to talk about Nanlite. These are the Nanlite Forza 500B2. Check these out. Huge. Look at the modifiers. These power packs. Yeah, you can hear it. These are the Pavo tubes. We're gonna. They come in different sizes. So I'm gonna show you. Yeah, you can show it. I got it. So these are the Pavo tubes. They come in different sizes. 3, 2. So these are the Pavo tubes. They come in different sizes. I just got my hands on the 30X right here. There's also the 8-foot. So 8-foot, 4-foot. These are a little shorter. Really, they look really great on camera, whether it be for practicals or for your main light. All right, and then so one more thing.